Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to make static website on S3. Okay, so we all know what is S3. S3 is a object based storage, so you can upload the files. The file size can be 0 bytes to 5 TB. Okay, there is unlimited storage you can store in S3. Okay, files are stored in buckets. So let me create a bucket. So bucket is nothing but it's a folder. Okay, so you can upload the files. Files are nothing but the objects. So let me create a bucket. The bucket name should be unique. Okay, it's a globally unique. So you just need to provide bucket name BC Reddy DevOps something. You just need to give uh, s- unique one. So if it is not there, so it will be take. So region, which region you are going to be um, the store this bucket. Okay, so my website should be accessed from the publicly accessed, so I just need to allow. By default, when you create a bucket it should be private. Okay, you just need to unselect this one. Then bucket versioning, currently I am disabling. And tags, if you want to provide the tags, so name you just need to give static website, some name you can provide. And default encryption disable. Okay, I'm creating the bucket. So you just need to select this one. Acknowledge that current settings must result in the bucket and the objects within become a public. So BC Ready DevOps, there is no bucket, so that's why it should able to create. You just need to select this one and copy the ARN, Amazon resource name. So if you select this one and you can upload the files. Okay, I have some HTML file, index files, and error file. So my code is there. So I just need to be added the file. So I have this error file, error.index file, and I have index.html file. These are the HTML files. Okay, I just upload. Okay, my files are uploaded successfully. I'm closing this one. So once you have closed, if you need to go to properties. Okay, and there is a static website hosting. Okay, by default it should be disabled. You just need to be enable this one. So the static website is enabling. So host a static website, redirect a request for an object. So I'm hosting a static website. So you just need to be provide index document. Specify the home or default page where the website is. My default page is index.html. Okay, if it is any error providing that one, you just need to provide error.html. So once this is done, you just need to save the changes. Okay, it will provide you the URL. So currently objects be in public. Okay, so you just need to go to properties. So this is the hosting URL. So you just need to click this one. So it should be your bucket name hyphen website dot app dot south region. Okay, so by default this bucket doesn't have permission, so access is denied. The object should be denied. So you just need to provide the bucket policies. Okay, by default newly created buckets are in private. You just need to set up the access. So you just need to go here bucket policies. Okay, edit this one, the bucket policy. So currently bucket policy. If okay, so you just need to create a JSON file. Bucket policy written in JSON provide access to the object stored in the bucket. Okay, bucket policy doesn't apply the objects owned by the other document. You need to take a sample bucket policies. Okay, like this one. Okay, getting ready read-only permissions to anonymous user. Okay, listing access to specific address like this. So I have already some policy. Okay, this is the default policy to public read get object. Okay, so effect is allow, principal it should be all, action get objects. Okay, and the resource is AWS S3, and you just need to provide the bucket name. You just need to change here the bucket name. So bucket name is BC Ready DevOps. So I'm just changing the bucket name here. BC Ready DevOps. Okay, I'm just save the changes. Now BC Ready DevOps, this bucket is publicly able to accessible. Okay, now if you refresh this one, you are able to see the static website index.html page. By default, this is the creating static website using Amazon S3. Okay, now if you provide anything, suppose slash um, other than anything, the default index page, you are able to see the error page. Okay, this is the HTML code which we have written in the static website index.html and error.html. If you see this one, open with. Okay, this is the some sample code which we have written, and the index one, index.html. This is the home page. Okay, by default it should be able to in this it is created. Okay, like this you can able to create just able to act hosting the website on S3. Okay, if you didn't provide any extension after that, so you able to get the home page. Okay, so that's all about in this session. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.